Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make bitter leaf soup, and we'll be using cocoyam as our thickener. So come along with me and let's do this together. For our bitter leaf soup, we'll be needing cocoyam. We'll be using this as our thickener. If you don't have cocoyam, you can use oat as your thickener. Knorr cubes, palm oil. I'm supposed to use ogiri, but because I don't have ogiri, I have Iru locust beans, so I'll be blending it to use. Scorch bonnet pepper. This is stockfish. Soak them and cut them to small pieces. Bitter leaf, the major ingredient. This is Nigerian Pomo Ijebu, and I have assorted meat here: chicken, shaki, that's cow tripe, and so on. And I have here crayfish. I'll be blending the crayfish with my scotch bonnet pepper and the Iru. This soup is from the Igbo people in Nigeria. I washed the cocoyam, put water, and it's cooking now. While our cocoyam is cooking, I have stock from all the assorted beef, chicken, and everything I cooked. I'm putting some in. Add my pomo, stockfish. I have grilled mackerel, so I'm going to be putting some in. The beef will go in, the chicken, everything. Then the Iru and the scotch bonnet pepper. Some crayfish. Now we're adding more water to it. It's time to pour our palm oil. I'll cover it, and while this is doing, I will be cutting the bitter leaf into smaller pieces. Now let's check for our cocoyam. It's been boiling for about 20 to 25 minutes. Yeah, it's done. Be careful, don't do that. Yeah, so what I'll be doing, I'll be peeling it like you've seen me do. Blend it, then I will show you the next stage. It's time to check. Wow. So what I'll be doing now is I've already blended the cocoyam. Some use mortar to pound it, and I'll be putting it in small portion so that it's going to melt. Let me use my hand. This my spoon is sticky because cocoyam is sticky. That's why we are using it as thickener. But if you don't have cocoyam where you are, that won't stop you from cooking this soup. Just use oat. Blend the oat and be adding it little by little. Just blend it with water, be adding little by little, and it will thicken the soup for you. You know, the cocoyam you are putting in depends on the quantity you are making. As you can see, I'm making a large quantity of bitter leaf soup. I'll be pouring in my smoked mackerel fish, and I'll cover it, allow the cocoyam to melt. Now it's time to check. After about 15 minutes, the cocoyam has fully melted, and you can see that the sauce is a bit thickened, but when it's cooled down, it will be thicker. Now this is our bitter leaf. It's been washed. I bought it fresh. Came home, put the leaves inside water, allow it to boil. Then I began to wash under my tap, cold water, and that is it. Because it is called bitter leaf soup does not mean that the leaves have to be bitter. If you love what you've seen so far, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. And to my subscribers, I say a very big thank you. God bless you. Finally, wow, can you see what I'm saying? This is nice, ready. And off camera I put one of these and a little bit of salt. You know, when I use stock, I don't put seasoning, allow it to cook very well. Then I taste and I know I just had as required. It's ready. Let me serve it. Guys, this is how it looks like when served. I called my son, he's around, and I asked him to have a taste, and he said it's so yummy, and he added, well done, mom. You can see that when it comes to cooking, it's good for you to explore. We have explored today and we have discovered that we can make a bitter leaf soup with cocoyam as our thickener, which can be eaten with any swallow of your choice. And if you like what you've seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe if you have not, leave your comment in this comment section. Don't forget to press on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new video. Till next time, bye.